Welcome back to video number 3 of our Chasing 1,000 Horsepower series on my F80 M3. Hey, this is Bryan. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. If you've been following along, you will know that we are chasing 1,000 horsepower in my F80 M3. In video number 1, we got a core S55 engine. We stripped it apart and we sent it down to Miami, Florida to Kratos to do a custom build, which we're going to talk about in our next video. Then in video number 2, we took the head up to Dave at Head Games. He worked his magic. We shipped it down to Kratos in Miami, Florida. They did the final assembly. Now, you may have noticed that in the other videos that my hair was significantly shorter. That's because with COVID and parts shortages and everything else under the sun, this process that was supposed to take a couple months ended up taking about a year. And it is finally time to put my custom race motor in my F80 M3. For today's video, what we need to do is we need to focus on prepping this car to be able to pull the motor and also the transmission out. So in today's video, don't expect us to pull everything out and then put that in. Putting the new motor in is going to be the next video. And it's not just the motor, because we have a lot of other goodies that we've actually had for, I don't know, 12 to 14 months or so. So it's exciting to finally get this car going the way that we thought it was going to be last year. So what we're going to do now, Gary's going to help me do some disassembly. We're going to pull off the hood, pull off the cooling system, and do a lot of the prep work. And then our other tech is going to get here later tonight, and he's going to help us drop the trans, pull the motor, and that kind of thing. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so for the next couple sections here, it's going to get quite involved. Gary's pulling off the strut brace. We're going to drain some of the coolant. We're going to remove the cooler, take off the charge pipes, take off the Venturi intake. I have some paneling and some strut bracing up here, and then we'll continue from there. right, so as you can see, we have successfully removed the transmission and also the S55 from my F80 M3. Now it's just like a Fred Flintstone car if you need it to go anywhere. So this is going to effectively end today's video. We finished all of this last night around 10 p.m. or so and just called it quits. In the next video, which we're going to start filming in about 5 minutes, we are going to be doing some prep work, and then we'll probably save it for another video where we actually go to do the reinstall. We just ran into a couple issues with a couple parts, so we just need to make sure everything is fully situated, make sure we have all the gaskets, all the nuts, bolts, all that kind of stuff. So then, from there, we're just gonna continue to proceed. So again, that ends today's video. Thanks so much for watching. If you like today's video, give us a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, check us out at KiesMotorsports.com, and come back because we have more content coming for you soon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.